Okay, here's the issue. We've got some rust here. It's gone underneath. From the back, cross member here is all gone as well. So there's two ways to fix this. I can either try and patch up what's there, or I can put a whole new front on with the dumb irons and the cross member all in one piece. Either way, I think we've got to get some stuff out of the way so we can see what we're doing. This one, this one, this one. Right, I'm going to use these little reverse head socket jobbies. I don't actually hold out much hope, but let's have a go. Hey, moving. I think what's going to happen now is the nut is going to start spinning at the top, isn't it? I don't believe it's shifted that. Right, it's moving too easy now, it must be spinning at the top. Right then, let's try the next one. No, nuts just spinning straight away on that one. What is it, ½ inch? Try it. This one's easy, but it would also be easier to cut off. Last one. Okay, so that's those 1, 2, 3 out there. The next fittings are the other side of this. And that one's already gone, that one's still there, and that one's already gone. That looks easy. Right, this one looks a bit trickier this time. There's one there that's easy, but then the next one is there in that there's a bolt head, and then that next one's right at the top there. Well, let's have a go. I might leave that middle one and have a look if I can get it easier from the other side. Something's gone wrong now. With a bit of luck, the bolt has snapped. Yes, it has. Happy days. Look at that. It's snapped off. Well, there you go. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so I've undone the bottom here, undone the sides, gap down there. That's wobbling there. This moving. Yeah, the wing's not attached to it. So now it's a case of that one. That one. Let's try them and see what happens. Right then, so we're sort of loose here. That's okay. Coming off there, but still one attached just down there. Right. Okay, it's the pipe to the oil cooler. Mm-hmm. Set. Right, that's the oil pipe out of the way. I've just got some wires still connected. Where it was. Okay, so here's what we've got. Well, there's an overview. This isn't looking good here on the top. Holy there, holy there. The debris, it's not too bad there. Seems okay. It's quite solid there. Anyway, I've got to keep on going. Oil cooler's got to come out and the radiator's got to come out. So we'll have another look then. Well, that's it for today. I've got to drain the oil down, drain the water down to get the oil cooler and the radiator off. Still haven't decided whether I can fix this or whether I've just got to replace the whole front. But anyway, I'll go and upload this and we'll see you again tomorrow.